Jai Sriman-Narayana.
And now telling them that, "Oh my dear sons, in the place of Sunassepa, you all go along with Ambarisha and get used for his yajna and be swallowed by Agni Devata and give satisfaction to Agni Devata. Thus you all help Ambarisha fulfill his yajna." That is how Vishwamitra gives his orders to his sons. Then all those sons responding back to Vishwamitra in a very sarcastic way, saying that in order to protect, save somebody's son, you are sacrificing your sons. How far this is fair for you, fair on your part? Like that, they told Vishwamitra and they rejected Vishwamitra's orders and they denied to do that. Then Vishwamitra got so much angry upon his own sons and cursed all of them, saying that as and how Vasishta's sons are suffering, falling into a category whose day-to-day food is dog, like that you also will be falling into the same categorized people and living on this earth for 1,000 years while eating dog food, while eating dogs. Like that, Vishwamitra, he could not control his anger and he cursed all of his sons. Vishwamitra Maharshi sprinkled a purified sacred bhasmam on Sunassepa and asked him to be tied with darbha, with a rope, to a pillar called as Upastambham. After that, Vishwamitra Maharshi gave 2 mantras, a beautiful, powerful mantras to Sunassepa, and asked him to chant those mantras. After that, Vishwamitra Maharshi told him that, "Oh Sunassepa, now you go ahead and go along with Ambarisha. Everything will be fine with you. You will definitely have long life." After listening from Vishwamitra Maharshi, Sunassepa went to Ambarisha and told him that, "Ambarisha, I am ready to go with you." Both of them went back to their kingdom. Ambarisha started performing his yajna and they tied Sunassepa to a pillar over there where usually the yajna pasu, the animal which is going to be used for yajna, is tied. That is where they tied Sunassepa also. At that time, Sunassepa did the same powerful mantra chanting which is given to him by Vishwamitra Maharshi. After chanting those mantras, Devendra felt so much satisfied because Sunassepa not only prayed Devendra but also prayed his own master, that is Sri Mahavishnu. Because of that, Devendra felt very much satisfied, pleased, and came down and told Sunassepa that, "Oh Sunassepa, I am now blessing you, giving you the long life. You please go ahead and enjoy your life." Like that, Sunassepa got blessed by Devendra. And Devendra also blessed Ambarisha, saying that, "Oh Raja, Ambarisha, usually if you do whatever the yajna, whatever the result, benefit, fruit comes out of any yajna, now I am going to be giving you multiple times of the general fruit, common fruit that comes out of performing any yajna. I am giving you so many fruits out of the yajna that you are performing now. Like that, Devendra blessed Ambarisha also. While meditating upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, let us now do Sri Rama Namasmarana. Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.